What's up, family? I'm back with another one. And if you're new to the channel, hey, you family as well. So I know probably some of y'all in the process of building your credit or looking to add some new accounts on your credit report. And I got an account that you can add for just $15. Yep, $15 that can instantly help you improve your credit. So with that being said, you already know what time it is. Let's get right into it. So in today's video, I'm going to break down how the process works. I'm going to also cover the different type of plans based off your budget. And I'm going to go over how this can improve your credit score 25, 50, 75, 100 points. But remember, it all depends on what's going on in your credit report. Because if you have negative accounts, you got to get those negative accounts off to start seeing the improvement that you need to see. So I'm about to show you how this works. How exactly does Credit Strong account work? When you open up a Credit Strong account, Austin Capital Bank gives you an installment loan, places the borrowed funds in a savings account in your name, right? You do not receive the funds on day one. They are instantly deposited into the savings account. A lock is placed on the funds in the savings account to secure the loan. Each month, you make a single fixed monthly payment of principal and interest on the loan, right? The principal portion of your loan payment is credited towards a lock on your savings account, and the interest portion of your payment is how we cover the cost of providing the service to you. Now, during the time of your account, we report your loan payment history to all three major credit bureaus, and you earn interest on your savings account balance. When the loan is paid in full, the lock is removed from the savings account and the funds become available to you. So I just covered how the process works. Now I'm gonna go over the pricing. Now, based off your budget, pick what plan works best for you. But remember, this is saving your money. This is helping you save your money. So just think about it as you put the money away for later, but you're gonna get it back, but it reports to all three credit bureaus with no credit check. So let's go over the pricing, right? So they have three different plans. They have the subscribe plan, they got the build and save plan, and they got the Magnum. Now, a subscribe plan is $15 a month or $30 a month. And $15 a month will report $1,000 to your credit report, but it's gonna take 10 years, right, to actually pay this loan off. And it's up to 120 months. So it's gonna take 10 years. The same thing for the $30 a month. Now, I don't want to set you up for failure. So I want you to pick something that's reasonable that you can actually pay on time and you can commit to for at least 2 years. So the build and save would be like the best one for you, the $48 a month for 24 months. Just pick what's in your budget. You can always cancel at any time. There's no penalty. So just pick what plan works best for you. Now they got the Magnum plan. So it's $55 a month or $110 a month. They will report a $5,000 installment account or they're going to report a $10,000, but it's 120 months. So just make sure you pick what plan works best for you. I believe the 24 months because no matter what, that time is going to pass. I believe you can be consistent I think you'll be consistent when it comes to saving for 24 months versus saving for 10 years. Now, 10 years is a pretty long time to be consistent with, so just do the 24 months. So I just covered how the pricing works. Now I'm gonna cover how this can improve your credit score, 25 points, 50 points, 75, 100 points, but it all based on your credit report and what's going on your credit report. Remember, if you got negative items, you're not gonna see the proper increase of your credit score until all the negative accounts come off. But you'll start to see the improvement because you're making payment all the time monthly payments. So remember, I always talk about this in some of my videos. Your credit score is made up of 5 different factors, and how the banks look at it is your highest credit score you have is the 850 and the lowest credit score you have is 300. That means you have 550 points to play with. So 550 points of payment history is 35% of that 550 is 192.5. The other 30% of which is utilization, which is 30% of 550 is 165 points. 15% of which is your average age, 15% of 550 is 82.5. And credit mix is 10%, which is 55 points, and the other 10% is new accounts, which is 55 points. So now that you understand how the FICO score and the the point system work, now it's gonna help you improve in each area. And how it's gonna help you improve in each area is, remember, you're adding a new account. So if you're adding a new account and you're making on-time monthly payments, it's gonna help improve in that payment history area. It's not gonna help in the utilization because it's not a credit card. but it will help in the average age based off of time. It might affect the average age at first, but over time, since you're gonna probably do a 24-month plan, you'll see your credit score increase over time. Now, the credit mix, since this is an installment account, you wanna have 2 variations account. So by adding this account, it's gonna improve in the credit mix part of your credit score, and it's gonna help improve that area. Now, since you're adding a new account, it's also gonna help, and you're not doing a hard inquiry because it doesn't do a hard inquiry when you add this account. This is gonna help in that area as well. So this is how you'll start to see 25 points, 30 points, 40 points, 50 points there, because it's improving in each area, and over time that you're making these monthly payments and you're saving money, you're gonna start seeing that increase of your credit score. So I hope this video helps you out, and if you need help with your credit, grab my free secret letter, or you can go watch this video right here where I show you how you can do the Apple Card trick.